The top of the toilet flange should sit flush to 1/4 of an inch above the finished floor for the best seal and stable toilet installation. For a reliable seal, start by measuring from the finished floor up to the top of the flange with a straight edge and feeler gauge or ruler and aim for 1/4 of an inch above the floor. If the flange is recessed below the finished floor, 3 practical approaches work well. Use a flange extender kit that stacks onto the existing flange and is screwed into place. Install a thicker wax or wax-free ring designed for low flanges, or replace the flange with a raised flange that matches the new floor height. When the flange is too high, cut it down carefully using a hacksaw or oscillating tool, and then clean the face so the toilet can sit level without cracking the porcelain. Always dry fit the toilet with the bolts and a cardboard spacer to check for rocking before applying the final seal. Torque the toilet nuts evenly in small alternating turns to compress the seal without over-tightening, which can crack the bowl. Finally, check the closet bolts for straightness and replace any corroded or bent fasteners, and install a new wax or wax-free ring whenever you remove the toilet. Common mistakes are setting the flange too low, which causes the toilet to rock and leak underneath the bowl, so the fix is to raise the effective flange height with an extender or use a thicker seal and then recheck for level. Another frequent issue is using an overcompressed wax ring because installers over-tighten the nuts and crack the porcelain or deform the seal, so tighten in small alternating increments until the bowl contacts the floor evenly. A third problem is not inspecting or replacing the closet bolts and flange condition so the toilet shifts over time. Remove the toilet, clean the area, replace damaged bolts, and secure the extender or new flange properly before reseating the toilet. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors by letting users browse project examples and contractor profiles relevant to flange repositioning and bathroom remodels, and we make it easy for homeowners to describe their project and get local responses. We also help contractors find work by posting job leads and participating in our active discussion community, where we and other professionals share tips and trade practical advice.